A comparison of Mailerlite and Mailchimp reveals distinct differences in features, pricing, and overall value. Both email marketing software options offer free trials, with Mailerlite providing a 30-day premium trial without requiring a credit card, and Mailchimp offering a free month. The free plans of both services have their own set of limitations, with Mailerlite's zero-cost plan allowing up to 1,000 subscribers, 12,000 monthly emails, and various features such as email automation, drag-and-drop editing, and landing pages. In contrast, Mailchimp's free plan is more limited, with fewer features and restricted access to certain tools. When examining the paid plans, Mailchimp has 3 options ranging from $13 to $350 per month, depending on the number of contacts. Mailerlite, on the other hand, offers 2 paid plans, with prices starting at $10 per month when billed monthly and $9 per month when billed yearly. A key difference lies in the cost for 10,000 subscribers, with Mailchimp's most expensive plan costing $350 per month, while Mailerlite's equivalent plan costs $99 per month, making it roughly 3.5 times more affordable. Upon closer inspection, Mailerlite's paid plan includes unlimited monthly emails, seats, and audiences, as well as unlimited websites, landing pages, and forms. Mailchimp's plan offers similar features, but with a cap on monthly emails. For 10,000 subscribers, Mailchimp allows 150,000 emails per month, translating to 15 emails per subscriber, whereas Mailerlite offers unlimited emails. In terms of ease of use, both platforms are relatively equal, with intuitive drag-and-drop builders, AI assistants, and similar features. Customer reviews also show both services in a favorable light, with Mailerlite scoring 4.7 out of 5 and Mailchimp scoring 4.3 out of 5. Although Mailchimp has a significantly larger number of reviews, ultimately, the deciding factor is the pricing and features, with Mailerlite emerging as the better value. Considering all aspects, Mailerlite is the preferred choice due to its more affordable plans and comprehensive features.